E15. Now unfortunately, E15 smells a lot of smoke. Not supposed to be smoking in these rooms. Somebody has clearly been smoking in this one this morning. What have we got here though on the desk? We got our fun times. A couple of USBs, which is really nice now. Still got your plugs and your European 220. Nice. What's on the other side of the bed? Push button for assistance. Interesting. Like those lights. So let's see. I'm sure these closets look exactly the same. Here's your room service menu. I've got life jackets also. Okay, let's check out E15's interior bathroom. This is a decent sized bathroom. Certainly worked for me. Got your shampoo and your shower gel. The air conditioner controls that I'm cranking down. Okay, let's play what's magnetic. The walls. All the walls. The door. Definitely magnetic. This door, magnetic. Not the closet doors. Okay, if you're under Epic Rock, you're under the main show lounge. I'm in E15. I'll show you where on the map. You can definitely hear the show. Let's see. Take Me Down to Paradise City is playing right now. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Okay, my 2 tips and tricks that I promised at the beginning of this video. First, and this only works in the older class ships, if you're in these ships, your shower nozzle will clean your toilet. Okay, and my favorite part of an interior room, I rarely stay in interiors. I do love my balconies, but when I do, this, the sheer dark of an interior room. I sleep so well. Cold, dark. Problem is, I sleep half my cruise away. Now let's look at the TV. What is on a Carnival TV? There's not a lot to choose from, and frankly, I don't even need a TV in my room when I'm on a cruise ship. But here's what's available. Channel guide, safety information, Carnival commercial, Carnival commercial, Carnival commercial, Carnival commercial, Carnival commercial. The view outside the ship, a couple of first-run movies, CBS News, TCM, Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, Home and Garden TV, Food Network, Travel Channel, Discovery Channel, Good to Know, another Carnival commercial, the Audible Carnival commercial, the Map Channel that shows you where we're at, a forward camera view, a Lido camera, and a video music channel. That's it. here we go. Here's my final tip and trick I promised. Carnival's probably going to hate me for this, but I love it. I've been doing it for 20 years. There's a free steam room at the front of the ship, but you don't need a free steam room. Your shower becomes its own steam room, as hot as any steam room available. Just turn your shower on super hot.
Oh, and that sign is serious. It will scald you.
And sit right here. Throw your towel on the toilet, and you have your very own steam room.